Probably the best music production trick I ever learned back in the 90s is the double tracking. I'm recording the guitar through the Dream 65 pedal from UAFX on my trusty Fender Strat. One take will be panned hard left and the second take will be panned hard right. This technique works well with any type of instrument where you want a more full and satisfying sound. The finished track, Karma 1, sounds like this. Nice, make sure to follow and check out my YouTube with tons of production tutorials. Bye!